Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Today I will show you how to make this Moong Daal chaat. Firstly, take 1 cup of Moong Daal and soak it for 4 to 5 hours. And cut the onions into small pieces, like fine chop. Cut it carefully. And then cut the garlic into small pieces, like this, and cut the green chilies same as onions. And take a cucumber and cut it, like this. And this is a very healthy and super tasty recipe, so that I have shared with you guys. And take a vessel and add 2 spoons of oil, like this. And add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, and add the garlic into it. And add 10 curry leaves, it will give a better and good smell. And add green chilies. And fry it for 1 minute like this. And be carefully while making this. After frying it looks like this. And add 2 dried red chilies. And mix and fry. You can tell this like as evening snack. And healthy and tasty. And add onions and again, fry for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix and fry like this. And after frying, our tatka is ready and looks like this. And take a vessel and add soaked Moong Daal and add 1 cup of coconut into it. And add the cucumber. And add the coriander. And add the tatka into it like this. And add the salt as per your taste. And mix it all together. And after mixing, this looks very tempting and yummy, and serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.